Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making chicken and mushroom tagliatelle in a rich creamy sauce that's gonna be served with fresh basil. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Mushrooms, thinly sliced. Salted butter, touch of olive oil so the butter won't burn, chips of garlic clove, cook until golden brown. This will flavor the butter. Now remove the garlic and finely chop. Medium heat at chicken strips. Cook this until golden brown. Add the chopped garlic, freshly ground black pepper, salt. Give this a good mix. Add in the mushrooms. A good mix and dry out the water from the mushrooms. Add in the chicken stock. Give this a mix and bring it to simmer. Now add in the double cream. Mix and bring it to gentle simmer. Turn off the heat and add in a creamy cheese. Mix. A creamy chicken and mushroom sauce. Done. For the pasta, medium heat, add in the water, salt and touch of olive oil. Bring this to boil. Add in the tagliatelle and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Remove. Cold water so you can stop cooking. In goes the tagliatelle pasta. Season again with black pepper and salt, touch of olive oil, fresh basil leaves. Give this a good mix and make sure not to break your pasta. Many people tend to overcook their pasta, which results in breaking. Delicious. Sprinkle of more cheese and it's all done. So here you have my mouth-watering chicken and mushroom tagliatelle in a rich creamy sauce. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this delicious tagliatelle pasta. Looks amazing, alhamdulillah. Bismillah. Wow, so delicious, wow. It has so much flavor, you know, all that basil and freshly ground black pepper. Alhamdulillah, it's so creamy. The chicken and the mushroom works really well with this. And you can serve it with different kind of breads like cheese bread or a garlic bread. Choice is yours. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Make it for your mom. Make it for your dad. Make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.